Hey guys, it's Thursday, April 23rd, and we're going to start today with some figurative language. Yesterday we took notes on hyperbole. Quick reminder of our definition: it's an obvious exaggeration used to emphasize a point or add excitement or humor to a story. So today you're going to be doing some practice with the hyperbole. Okay, and the directions say to read each sentence below, and if the sentence uses a hyperbole, write hyperbole. If it does not use it, write none. Okay, so starting with this, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. That is very much a hyperbole. There's no way a person could actually sit and eat a whole horse. That's a lot of meat. Okay, the books are heavy. That is not hyperbole. It's not an exaggeration. So none. You've got 4 sentences for practice today, and we will go over these answers tomorrow. If you've got any questions, let me know. Next thing that we're going to do is chapter 11, reading chapter 11. We are about halfway through the book now. And this time you just have the option to read it. It's not too long today, so you are going to read chapter 11. And I think that's it. So we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.